Alam niyo guys, I just wanna add, 'di ba po isa sa mga depensa ng kampo ni VP Sara Duterte is that the threat towards the president was conditional. Pero po tandaan po natin, anything na kapag nag-start ka ng idea o sabihin na nating simple idea of harming another person for any kind of reason, bibigay ka po, kumbaga sa Pandora's box. You're opening a big Pandora's box for everyone to have their own opinion and what they think about what should happen. And this is a scary part kasi kapag ka inaalaw natin yung perception ng iba't ibang tao about what you said, even if it's unconditional, some weirdo will do it and they will succeed in their missions na. There were manifesto, there were written documents that were saying that the guy who assassinated or plot an assassination attempt with President Donald Trump, he already planned it and he already have pathways of how he started at kung ano papaano niya i-execute yon. Ibig sabihin po planned at alam niya kung anong gagawin niya, saan siya aakyat, saang building, kailan 'di ba, yung mga security details niya. So, yun yung Yun yung problema when we try to say something that will harm somebody else kasi they will and they will acknowledge it. At ayun yung nakakatakot dito. Kasi itong mga criminal mind na ito, they will not say, they will not put it on vlog na, sige, sasaktan kita, papatayin kita. No, they will just do it. They will try to find this right opportunity to execute their plan. Alam nyo guys, I wanted to share this. Even Attorney Kapunan na sikat na lawyer po, doing litigations, yung mga korte, she was interviewed by DZMM and she was saying na para pinapabulaanan niya yung sinasabi ng mga DDS at saka mga lawyers ng defense na parang sinasabi, hindi dapat kailangan seryosohin yan. It's just a mere emotions, expression. But ang sabi ni attorney is, are the highest lawyer in the country with regards to being a public politician, being the vice president, and also you know for a fact that there are boundaries that a sitting vice president can actually say and cannot say. Kasi itong mga pagkakataon na to, especially the vice president, have a lot of followers. Hindi natin alam kung sino doon, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, that will further execute a plan to actually assassinate the president. And even NBI Director Matibag was saying doon sa hearing na meron na silang mga lead na kinakausap that allegedly ni Vice President to actually execute a plan to assassinate the president. Eh nakakatakot ito kasi hindi po ito na parang okay lang, na parang wala lang kasi ang mga salitang ito nanggagaling sa ikalawang pinakamataas na government official sa Philippines. Eh, nagsasalamin lang po ito na kung kaya niya sabihin yon, there's no way that she cannot execute a plan.
Magandang hapon po sa kanila at morning sa kanilang lahat. Ito po si Mami Susan. Ayan, nagpapasalamat po ako sa binigay ng oportunidad ni Pelcas na ako'y kanyang ma-interview, and I would like to invite everyone na mag-subscribe po sa kanyang channel, Pelcas. Okay? Maraming pong salamat. Thank you.